Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Toyota TRD Off-Road Premium. This one is silver. Underneath it is a 4-liter V6 with 270 horsepower and 278 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch TRD alloy wheels, front and rear LED daytime running lights, TRD in the headrest, black leather interior, carbon fiber center console, sunroof, rear power outlets, TRD off-road badging, trailer hitch, a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, hopping in, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, climate control, USB auxiliary, different driving modes, heated seats. This TRD has 22,238 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota 4x4 TRD off-road, visit us at feldmanimports.com.